Many organizations are transitioning back into the workplace as well as continuing some kind of remote work from home. The main focus is creating a safe and secure environment for employees. Check it out. For many of us who are in the planning phases of reopening our businesses, the idea of having to retrofit for this new normal can seem a little confusing, to be frank. So joining us today is Jennifer Smith from Innovative Office Solutions, who's gonna hopefully help demystify the process. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me, Ryan.
Super excited. You guys are a single source office solutions company, which basically means you're my one-stop shop, right?
That's a great way to put it. We develop customized programs for offices of all sizes. We offer office essentials, furniture and design, technology solutions. We even have you covered from the break room to the restroom. We offer a customizable approach, and that's the really cool thing, and I get to show you some of that today.
Awesome, that's great. So how are you guys helping companies take these next steps?
It is a real responsibility for employers today to make sure that their workplace is safe for their employees and their guests. And one of the high traffic, high touch areas is the reception area. And it's also a first impression that you make. So you want to make sure you're well equipped. We've got hands-free temperature checks, antiviral facial tissues, signage, protective shields, floor mats with social distancing decals and graphics, hand sanitizing station, touch-free trash cans, and air purification systems. I'm going to also take you into the bullpen. Bullpen areas are a real challenge for employers to retrofit, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Max?
Goal for the bullpen areas to make minor adjustments to help mitigate employees' risk. We have tall divider screens to eliminate employee-to-employee contact. We also have task chairs made out of a mesh copper material, which naturally helps kill viruses. Also, employees are stocked with their own cleaning supplies, such as hand sanitizer, disinfectant wipes, and their own facial tissue.
Thanks so much, Max.
These all look like simple modifications that any company can make. It's definitely going to make my job a lot easier.
Absolutely. And as employers, we also need to keep those break rooms germ-free. I'm going to walk you back there and give you a couple ideas to help ensure the break room safety. One of the first things that you can do is remove seating, one person per table, to maintain social distancing. We've added signage to make sure that the station is disinfected, and the other really important thing is to make sure that the air is clean. I also want to mention the restroom. It's another area that you absolutely want to keep germ-free. You want to have touch-free door openers, faucets, auto flush toilets, paper towel and soap dispensers. Remove all the hand dryers and make sure you have air purification systems.
Well, those all sound like really great ideas. I'm glad that you guys also offer residential services. I had to retrofit my bedroom here with a new office, and I'm gonna be spending a lot of time in here, and you guys just really helped me pull it all together.
Yes, employees' health and wellness should also be about the space at home. We know that the kitchen table routine was short-term fix, but it's not going to work long-term. We need to create an ergonomically correct, safe, and clean space to stay productive.
Thank you guys so much for all the information and guidance.
Thanks, Ryan.
So with Innovative Office Solutions' help, I've got some great pieces to make my home office a perfect spot for getting my work done, starting with my HP printer for all my to-do lists. Coming up, a plug-and-play telecommunication solution for your remote office.